trainees, here is your macho doll and her monster biceps. And now macho doll, she's gonna do some flexing because you know she loves flexing. But don't forget, flexing help you increase your muscle size. So flex all the time, always, even though if you are in the gym or at home in front of the mirror, always flex because it's gonna increase your size of muscle. So let's do some fun flexing on the beach. On flex. Some back muscle. So leave comment below my video. Have you done your flexing already today? Leave comment below and see you soon. Bye bye.